but your smile outshines them every time. A warmth that lights up my darkest days. Your love, my dear, always stays. Clouds may gather, storms may brew. Your smile makes everything feel new. A beauty that words can't truly say. In your smile, my heart finds its way. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than the stars. A love that shines bright from afar. With you, my world is filled with light. In your smile, I find my guiding side. In your smile, I see something more beautiful than the stars. A love that shines bright from afar. With you, my world is filled with light. In your smile, I find my guiding side.
Happy birthday, Ma! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo. Siyempre, masaya kami para sa'yo. Palagi rin kami nandito para sa'yo. Tawag ka lang kapag kailangan mo kami, kailangan mo makausap. Pero chat ka muna kasi baka tulog kami. Wala, sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo.
Ingat ka rin po palagi dyan. Love you.
Love you, Ma.
Mama, hello. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish ko lang ay sana lagi kang safe dyan, good health, at dapat lagi ka lang masaya. At thank you sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo para sa aming magkakapatid, para mabigay lang ang mga kailangan namin, mga gusto namin. At sobrang thankful namin kasi ikaw yung mama namin. Miss na miss ka na po namin. I love you so much, Ma.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you so much and I miss you so much. Magpakatatag lang din, ha? At ilang taon na lang din, magkakasama na rin tayo. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. Hindi mo man kami kasama personally, pero kasama mo kami sa video na to, syempre. Pero kidding aside, happy birthday, Mommy. Just enjoy your day, Dan. At laging ingatan ang sarili. Iwasan ng mga pagkain na bawal para malusog tayo, ha? Iwas sakit. Okay, love you, Mommy. Mwah.
Happy 50th birthday po, Tita. Gusto ko lang pong ma-thank you sa love and support na binibigay niyo po sa amin ni Andrew. Na-appreciate ko po lahat and na-admire ko po kayo as a mother po dahil nakita ko po lahat ng sakripisyo at pagmamahal niyo po para po sa mga anak niyo na kahit malayo po kayo, nandyan pa rin po kayo para sa kanila. And thankful po ako dahil naranasan ko din po yun bilang girlfriend po ng anak niyo. Palagi po kayong mag-iingat and alagaan niyo po yung sarili niyo. I wish you good health and safety po. I love you, Tita. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Tita Donna. Happy birthday po. I hope you feel loved and appreciated you are today. Kahit na po nasa malayo po kayo ngayon, sana po ma-enjoy niyo po yung birthday niyo. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan and stay healthy and pretty, Tita. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ana Donna Queenie. I hope you will have a great day today and may you have more blessings. Sana lahat ng wish mo ay matupad at maging healthy palagi. Thank you very much.
Hello, Israel! Magandang araw po sa inyo ngayon dyan. Narito po ako upang batiin ang aking kapatid na si Ana Donna, pang-apat sa aming magkakapatid. Enjoy mo lang ang iyong kaarawan at pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon Diyos at bigyan ka pa ng maraming blessing, and nawa ang iyong mga pinapangarap at iyong mga kagustuhan ay iyong matupad na. Maraming salamat, Tol. Ingat ka dyan. I love you. Bye-bye.
Really happy birthday! Greetings from Newport State Resort. Okay, you know, Tita loves you, and you're really looking good for your age. Anyway, I wish you all the best in the world, that you will have more blessings of good health. Pasensya na. Pawis na ako, kadarating ko lang dito. Good health, good wealth, and happiness, and peace. I love you. Greetings from Albert also. Okay. Enjoy your birthday. Cheers to many more birthdays to come. Love you. Bye.
Hi King! Kamusta ka na dyan? Nabalitaan ko, magunog dyan sa lugar nyo. Kaya palagi kang mag-iingat at mag-pray. At saka, binabati kita ng happy 50th birthday. And enjoy your day. At saka, palagi kang hindi makalimot sa Panginoon. At kung ano man ang problema mo, ay dito lang ako para sa iyo. And binabati kita ulit ng happy 50th birthday, King. I love you so much. God bless you always.
May your birthday be filled with love, joy, and happiness. Enjoy your party with lots of your friends, with dancing, singing, eating, laughing, and everything. And have a blessed Christmas to everyone. Thank you and regards to all of you. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Donna. Wishing you a good health always. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Donna. I wish all the best things in your life. Love you. Happy birthday, Tita Donna. God bless you. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday po, Lola Donna. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Israel.
Happy birthday po, Lola Donna. Sana ingat ka po dyan sa Israel.
Happy birthday!
Tita Donna. Happy birthday. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Donna. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. And Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Tita Donna!
Happy birthday, Donna.
Ingat always! We miss you!
Hello, Tita Donna. Happy birthday. Bilis ng panahon. 50 ka na. Okay lang yan. Numero lang yan. Wala naman sa itsura. Wish ko sa'yo, ngayong birthday mo, gusto kong maging masaya ka. Siyempre, deserve mo yan. Maging masaya. Although na malayo ang pamilya mo sa'yo. Especially yung mga bata. Ayun, good health. Magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. Ano pa ba? Prosperity. Parang Christmas eh. Sama ko na rin, Merry Christmas. Sama ko na, Happy New Year. Pero siyempre, doon tayo mag-concentrate sa birthday mo. And Tita Donna, happy birthday ulit at mag-enjoy kang mabuti sa birthday mo. Ganda-ganda ng mga ano mo picture mo Okay yan, sige, magpaganda ka lagi. Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo. Love you!
Happy birthday, Donna! Wishing you all the best. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Donna. Enjoy your birthday. 50 years old ka na. Good health lang lagi at always happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita Donna. Stay safe po always.
Happy golden birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Donna. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. Ingat po kayo palagi. We love you. We miss you.